Master Level 5 Diploma in Project Management with UKPDA. Do you feel overwhelmed by juggling tasks, deadlines, and keeping your team on track? You are not alone. According to the Project Management Institute (PMI) study, 70% of organizations report experiencing project failures due to poor project management. But what if there was a way to transform yourself into a project management pro, leading your team to success? That's where the UK Professional Development Academy comes in. This course equips you with the essential skills and knowledge you need to manage any project, big or small. Here are some reasons why our project management course is the key to your success. CPD accredited training. Our course curriculum is aligned with the latest project management frameworks and methodologies, ensuring you are prepared for real-world challenges. Flexible learning. Flexible learning journey tailored to accommodate your busy schedule, allowing you to pursue your studies anytime, anywhere. Tutor support. Our team of sophisticated tutors is available 24/7, providing steady guidance and support to ensure you reach your full potential. Proven effectiveness. 80% of our graduates reported a significant increase in their project management skills and landed promotions within a year of completing the course. What's more, you will be tested with engaging multiple-choice questions, ensuring a profound understanding of every concept. And the best part? Upon successful completion, you will get Level 5 Diploma in Project Management, CPD accredited certificate. So why wait? Don't miss the opportunity to start a fulfilling career in project management. Visit our website and enroll in this project management course today.